So this is a bonus part for this project, for this series tutorial. And let's decrease my browser view here so that you can understand. Well, first of all, let's add a sidebar here. And I'm not following the design as of now. Let's add a sidebar on the left side inside the product catalog. So here you can see the content layout. I'm going to use not the box mode, I'm going to use the sidebar. And also I'm going to change the design to card view. So here you can see the quick view change and sales are changing, right? Now let's add something into the sidebar. Okay, let's change the design to, I really like the design too. And go back to the widgets, WooCommerce sidebar, and type here search. We can add product search here, and also category. Products by category, or click on browse and see how many options you have. So navigate to the WooCommerce. Here you can see the all review, customer account, and like product reviews, product categories, rating, and filter by price. Let's filter by price. Okay, not this. I don't know where it's coming from. Now add some more. I'm not sure why the filter by price is not clickable and why it's not displaying. Let's reload the page here. Well, it's working. So it's displaying the filter by price here, and we can change the filter. Now let's change the search result here and add some more information. Let's browse, scroll down, and type here handpicked products. So you can display handpicked products. Let's say product 1 and product 3. Select done, click publish, and reload the shop page. It's displaying looks like this. It's not good, right? Click on design and show more settings. So you can always click here to customize the block editor, or you can navigate from widget. Let's type here and see. Column should be 2 column, and no add to cart, no rating, only price, title, and product image. Click publish and reload the page. Now as you can see, it looks similar and looks great. Also we can add some more feature. Let's type here category. So products by category, I'm not gonna display, I'm gonna display the product category list here. Let's take it top, and also for search I would like to remove the search text from the above. So what I did here, I have removed the product by search, and now if I reload, it looks great. So zoom in, you can, so that you can view here. And now let's change something that I wanted to share with you here inside the Astra. WooCommerce, go to product catalog. If I go to design, here you can see the product title, product price, content. So you can change the content color, you can change the background color. Let's change the background color. and see how it looks. So as you can see, the background color looks like this. You can change the content alignment, center or right. So I'd like to use the left. And product image hover style, you can use swap image. So if I hover over, as you can see, the swap image is changing and it's working perfectly, right? And bottom padding, you can add bottom padding, but I'm not gonna use the bottom padding and content padding. So the most interesting part I use mostly, which is box shadow. So box shadow you can use on normal behavior. Also you can use on hover. So let's say, for an example, if I add a normal spread twin or 5 and blur. So let's 1 here. So it looks like this. And border radius, let's take a look at here. There is no content padding and it looks like this. So we can, on hover, we can use nothing. That means it's nothing. That means it's not going to do anything on the hover. If I reload the page, here you can see when I hover over, the product image is changing and the shadow, box shadow is removing. So let's reduce the shadow a little bit. Let's reduce more. Well, and let's add here and click publish. Now it looks perfect. Not perfect, still there is some scope that we can reduce, but you can use shadow. You can avoid this one. It's completely up to you. But my goal was to share with you and to show you how it looks like and the possibility of editing and the features that are using here. Now here you can see general font. You can change the font family and other features here. So that's all for the product catalog. In our next part, I'll be talking about product image. And sorry, it's a single product, and then checkout, cart, and other features. Thank you so much for watching this video.